So guys, in this video we will be seeing about the kernel exploits. So you need to know about your victim machine. So one way to know about is using the uname -a command. So it will give you the information. You can see Linux, Debian, and the kernel version is 2.6. So this is the old kernel version. So what you can do is you can go to Google and copy this kernel version, and you can search for exploits. So you can see here in exploit.db we have so many exploits. So the Tico exploit, so you can use this exploit and get the root access. So and one another thing is lsb release a. So this will okay. So I don't know why this command is not working. So okay, so by this uname -a you can find out about the kernel version, and you can go to Google and search for this exploit. So you can get some exploits. And there is this another automation tool, that is Linux exploit suggester. And you can see this is the shell script, and it has also have the Perl script. So what you need to do is you can simply run this one. So you can see if you run this, it will give you the exploit names and a link to that to get the root access. So the one we are going to do now is the dirty cow. So dirty cow is a famous Linux exploit that is used to abuse the passwd file. So it will create a backup of that and gives the root access. Okay, so we this box also contains that C file, and you can go to cd dirty cow ls. So let's compare this one. Let's say output to cow. So you need to okay, you can just simply run this. So run this. So it takes some time. Okay, now the exploit has been completed. So you need to invoke this passwd binary. So it's a fake binary. The original one has been backuped to this temp back. So now let's paste this and hit enter. So you can see now we are root. Who am I? Root. So after completion of this, you need to move that back to the bin passwd. So in this way we can use this Linux exploit suggester when you do not find any misconfigurations or any other some suspicious binary. So the last choice would be the kernel exploit.